Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to make a very simple daily pouch. We're going to make the base first, and to make the base, we're going to start with a slip knot. So we're going to wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it, there will be two lines. Hook under the first line and hook into the second one. Then you can just pull on both sides, and that is a slip knot. We're going to continue with 21 chains. We're going to skip the first chain and start from the second chain. We're going to make a single crochet for each chain. And to make a single crochet, we're going to insert the hook into the chain, yarn over and pull the yarn out, yarn over again and pull the yarn through the loops. And that is a single crochet. We're going to continue making single crochet until we reach the end of the line. When you're done, you can turn, and without adding a chain, we're going to make a single crochet for each stitch, and we are going to make this until we reach the 7th round. So it's going to look like this after the 7 rounds. And to complete the base, we're going to make the border around the base. And to make the border, we're going to make 7 single crochet each for the left and the right side, and then 20 single crochet each for the top and the bottom side. So for this side, we're going to start with 7 single crochet. So we are done with the left side. Now we're going to continue into the bottom side. And for the bottom side, we're going to make 20 single crochet. We can continue into the right side, and we are going to make 7 single crochet. And now we can finish the border with 20 single crochet for the top side. So we are done with the base. Now we are going to continue making the body. And for every beginning of the round, we're going to start with 2 chains. And for this round, we're going to make it on the back loop. So we're going to start off first with a slip stitch. And then continue with 2 chains. Then still on the same stitch, we're going to make a double crochet. Wrap the yarn around the hook, insert it into the stitch, yarn over and pull the yarn out, and there will be 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull it through the first and the second loops. Yarn over again and pull it through the rest of the loops. And that is a double crochet. And for this round, we're going to make a double crochet for each stitch on the back loop only. When you have reached the end of the round, you can make a slip stitch on the very first double crochet. And that completes the round. And now we're going to use the same pattern for round 10 until round 15. So always start off with 2 chains, then continue with 54 double crochet, and end with a slip stitch on the first double crochet. By the end of round 15, it's going to look like this. And next we're going to make the lid. So we're going to start with 2 chains. Then we're going to turn. And for this round, we're going to use the front loop only. And we are going to make a double crochet for each stitch for the next 20 stitches. Once you're done, we're going to turn and make 2 chains. Then we're going to make a double crochet for the next 20 stitches. And we are going to repeat this pattern until we reach the end of round 21. So this is what it's going to look like. Once you're done, you can cut the yarn and weave in the end. Next, you can sew on the button, and I'm placing it between the second and the third round from the top. And then next we're going to make the border for the lid, and we are going to make another slip knot. And to make the border for the lid, we're going to start with 10 single crochet for the right side. Then for the top side, we're going to start off with 10 single crochet. Then we're going to make 8 chains for the string that goes around the button. And then we are going to continue with 10 more single crochet. Then we're going to finish off with 10 single crochet for the left side. So after making a slip knot, we're going to insert it into the stitch. Then we're going to make a chain. And for this side, we're going to make 10 single crochet. Then after that, we're going to moving on into the top side, and we are going to make 10 single crochet first. And now we're going to make the chain that goes around the button, and I'm going to make 8 chains. If you are using a bigger button, then you can make more chains. And you are going to make sure that the chains are long enough to go around the button. And then after that, we're going to make another 10 single crochet. And then for the left side, we're going to make another 10 single crochet. Once you're done, you can cut the yarn and weave in the end. And that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!